Hi friends, welcome to ScienceSmilesShorts. In this video, I present a method to measure color of chili powder by using a simple app. This app was developed by me, which can be used to measure color of chili powder by a seller and a buyer to maintain consistency of different supplies. There shall be different color range of bands which can be scrolled on a mobile. A stepwise demo is shown in this video. Step 1 involves transferring chili powder into a glass plate and distributing uniformly. Chili powder may be pressed with a spatula without any gaps. Now we have to make a central circular free space which is transparent. This circle thus is a blank space through which we can see the bands. Now the app can be opened in the Android phone showing different color bands. The next steps involve placing the plate on the top band on the mobile. Then the bands are scrolled, observing the center. The scrolling is done till the color in the center matches the chili powder color on the periphery. The band value is noted, and that is the final result. This technique is simple and fast. This provides a means for consistency of product between a seller and a buyer, where color is an important factor. In this example, the result is CH006. The result may slightly vary depending on individual judgments, but close enough to assess the product. These color bands are developed using actual chili powders and with adjustments of the LAB values. Similar apps are being developed by us for various spices with the different types of bands. Thank you for watching the video and please subscribe.